Most brands are spending thousands of dollars for ads that look like this, and I made one using AI in less than 30 minutes. By the end of this video, you will have a complete understanding of how ads are made, even if you haven't tried one before. I will also be sharing my complete workflow which I used to create an ad for a UK-based skincare brand. We're going to take one new example and build an ad from scratch with script, editing, visuals, voiceover, everything done. So let's see how that works. Right, so this is the Miro board which I use when I'm building ad systems for my client. It might look a little complex, but I'll walk you through each and every step, and after that we're going to build it from scratch. So let's see. So what I did was I used Perplexity to look for brands under a particular follower bracket along with some other criterias, and after that we got Evolve Beauty, which is based in UK. So we went through their website to look at the kind of categories that they have, different products, their best-selling product, and their theme and their brand voice. So this was what we found. They were more inclined towards natural products and sustainability, and it was clearly shown through their products. So after that we chose one of their best-selling products, which was age-defying multi-peptide cream, and this was a super size. So this was what we chose. Next, we used Google's NanoBanana Pro to generate images with consistent model and proper product photography, and these were our results. So what I did was I also went through their Instagram page, and I found that their brand tagline was pure, proven, and purposeful, and we created a model saying that along with their product, and these were different angles, different locations of the model applying the cream, etc. So these were the kind of images that NanoBanana gave us, and in the end we used 11 labs to create a voiceover and combine it all using CapCut. So this is the final version. You can see it on the screen right now.
Morning before everything begins, just you, and a moment to take care of your skin, so you reach for something that works. Light, smooth. It melts in, instantly, and suddenly, your skin feels softer, looks healthier, more like you. Deep hydration, visible firmness, real results you can feel. Pure, proven, purposeful, age-defying. Multi-peptide cream by Evolve.
Okay, so this was the ad. Can you believe it was 100% AI? And there are always chances for improvement. We can make it look more human. We can add different angles of the product. There are multiple things that we can do. Let's get into the first step of finding that particular brand and then choosing one of the products. So for this, we're going to use Perplexity. We're going to go to Perplexity. So I wrote this simple prompt which is find me top 10 beauty or cosmetic brands in US or UK with 5k, 200k or 999k followers with decent but not exceptionally good social media page. I'm an AI architect and I want to test and create that for this business or social media aesthetic and premium. So find me those people, and then I asked it to again give me in the range of 10k to 100k with enough budget and decent to not too good social media presence, because that's what we want to improve and implement. And this is their website. Now, as we can see here very clearly that this is very plant-based, natural product. Again, that sort of message they want to communicate. Then we're going to click at their best-selling products and choose one of these products to use it in an ad. There are many products that we can choose, but let's say their best selling, let's say we are going to only take their best selling products. You can scroll the website a bit. You can even go through their socials to look at the product which they are advertising the most So it is called Moon Dew, and it is peptides retinol alternative eye cream, and we are going to choose this. And this has got like 728 reviews, and this is one of their best selling products. So let's just pick this one. And what we'll do right now is we're going to take some pictures of the product along with the description, and then we are going to paste it to ChatGPT. Okay, so we've taken all the pictures that we found on their website of this particular product. Now what we need to do is we need to first create a model, and then we are going to create a complete product photo shoot. So for that, let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, so we are going to paste this website URL here, and then we are going to write a prompt. I'm going to attach all of these prompts in the description for absolutely free, so you can use it while building these sort of ads. So let's just see. So we have the master creative direction, which is the brand name, the product, the ad style, the mood, audience, visual identity, texture, language, camera style, lighting, color palette, everything given. Now we have the master model generation prompt. Now here's what I want you to know. So ChatGPT's recent image model, which is image 2.0, is great. It's literally so good at generating images. So we are going to test it side by side. We are going to use ChatGPT as well for ChatGPT for image generation, as well as NanoBanana, and whichever model gives us the best result, we are going to use that for the rest of the ad. Just copy this prompt and open a new tab of ChatGPT along with NanoBanana, and let's see what sort of results we get. So this is the model, and make sure that you read the complete prompt before pasting it into any model, because then either you're going to waste your credits or it is not going to be up to the mark. I have a pro subscription for the Google Flow. You can also use the free credits that you get every single day to generate these images. But yeah, you can do it for trying this out, and then if you like it, you can continue with the subscription. Click on new project, and here we go. And now we're going to choose, instead of video, we are going to choose image, and 9:16, 3, 4 outcomes we're going to get. And let's just enter this prompt over here. There will be differences in the generation, but both of these models, especially the ChatGPT's image 2.0, is great at generating images, and NanoBanana Pro, as we all know, it's again a very good option. So you can choose accordingly. The thing is that ChatGPT is going to be absolutely free. GPT Go, it's better. Otherwise also you can create and generate some of the images, but NanoBanana Pro is something that is going to take some of the credits. So let's just see. So these are the models that we have, and the prompt was that they are applying the cream below their eyes. So this is what we have, and I feel the third image is better, and the fourth one is also good, but they're still looking a little AI-ish. So we are going to again give it a prompt, and let's see what it generates this time. Look at it closely. Yeah, so it looks quite real. If you look at the nails, if you look at the face features, which is the eyebrows, the texture under her eyes and the lips, everything looks little realistic. And this was about ChatGPT. This was what ChatGPT gave us, and this is what NanoBanana gave us, and we need to choose one for our commercial. But I think that what ChatGPT gave us was pretty good, but NanoBanana was comparatively better. So if you look at this particular model, you can see it is definitely better, and I mean, this looks more aesthetic and clean at the same time. And this one is also great. So let's just ask NanoBanana for further images, and just create other versions of a model in a particular studio first, and then we are going to add her in the scene. We'll download this one, we'll take this one, we're good to go. Then we are going to add another prompt. This time we are going to paste another prompt where she's holding that product, and then we are going to add her face, which is, here we go. And then again we're going to also add the image of the product. This will actually take some time because you'll go through multiple versions, you'll look at it again, you'll ask for another prompt, then again you're going to enter that prompt, get a different result, and then you're going to tweak it, and this is how you get the result that you want. Just you need to keep this one thing in mind when you're creating any sort of commercial. It is important that it looks real. So this is the product, and use it and paste it to NanoBanana for the model to hold it in her hands. So yeah, we're going to click on upload image, and then we are going to add this image. So as you can see on the screen right now, this is next level. I mean, this looks very decent and it looks pretty actually. So we are going to download multiple versions of it. So this one is one of the best, so we are going to download this. This is her holding the product, this is her applying that particular product, and this is the aesthetic image of the product itself. Now we want to bring this to life, and for that you're going to first go to Pinterest and look at the kind of ads that people are creating. Well, we know how it looks. First the product, so first the model appears, and then the product appears, and then she's applying that product, and then we can see the difference between the first the before versus after version, and then a aesthetic scene of the model along with the product. So that is how it usually is. In this step, we are going to go to ChatGPT and generate scene by scene visual prompts. So we have the model, we have the images, but we wanted to bring it to life, and we are going to use Google Flow. Of course you can use Higgsfield as well, but I'm going to use Flow in this particular video for this particular ad generation. Okay, so I gave it a prompt, and now ChatGPT is giving us master creative direction along with scene by scene prompts, which is dawn ritual opening shot, and then we have the hero product macro reveal, then we have cream texture indulgence, then we have model introduction, ritual application, ingredient, cooling eye, mirror confidence before and after, and then we have the final. This time we are going to choose video. We are using VO 3.1, and we are going to generate only one version at a time, and this is going to be ingredients. Yeah, we're going to frames. Yeah, we're going to give it a starting frame, or maybe a reference image, and then we can add it, or let's just keep it this way. And okay, this works. So the first shot is pretty simple, so we are just going to paste this prompt, and let's see what it gives us. Wheel. And in this video we are going to actually use this product as a reference and then write the prompt. So you're going to click on 3 dots and then click on this product, and then we're going to write the rest of the prompt. Okay, so this looks perfect. We're going to click on enter, and yeah, that's how you do. You need to just repeat that process. Take a look at the first 2 videos, because if it needs any regeneration. The third seed is cream texture indulgence, which is macro beauty shot of a cream being scooped slowly into with golden skincare patch. That's how it works. You cannot expect the perfect result or the perfect outcome in the first try. So you need to do it again and again until you get the best one. Till the time, let's paste another prompt. Go back to ChatGPT, and we have the model introduction, which is this complete image of the model appearing. There is one more feature when you're using Google Flow. You can add multiple shots to a scene, so you can combine it here itself. So I'm going to also show you how you can do that, but let's first generate all these 2 shots to our scene builder, and when we switch to scene builder, we can combine it, edit it, and also rearrange it. But I will just speed up this process for you guys because it takes times. It's just the multiple cycles of iteration, multiple outputs generation, trying and testing different prompts, as you can see on the screen right now. And we are going to also add the product so that it becomes easy for her to understand. Okay, so this is where it gets very interesting. I told you earlier about scene builder. So what I did was I copied, or I added some of the videos to this scene builder, and I'll tell you how it is helpful and how you can do the same. So what it does is basically it will combine all of these videos together and add into the scene, as the name suggests. So first of all, you need to click on this arrange option, and you can remove the one. Yeah, so this was the perfect shot. This was also fine, and this is added twice, so we can again remove this one. This is good, this is great. And then this one works fine, but before this we want to add this model fourth. Let's see how it looks right now. The first one is the static shot of the product, second one is her holding that product and then applying it, and then same goes with the third shot, and fourth one is gentle and aesthetic texture video, and fourth and fifth is probably about that. And yeah, this is how it goes. Now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to trim it a bit and then show you the final version, because I want these two clips are overlapping and we just want one clip where she's applying and then the after version of her. So let's just take a look at the final one. So there is one more feature, which is you can extend a particular shot. Like this is a good one, but I want her to bring it close to her face, and so I can just simply click on extend and just give the prompt. And yeah, after this clip is generated, I'm going to add it in the scene as my final shot, and then again it will be all combined. And the next step will be going to 11 Labs and then generating a voiceover for this particular complete shot, along with a aesthetic or soothing sort of music in the background. Or else we can just keep a music and just use it as a commercial, not required. Like, see, it depends on what the brand wants. If they want a particular voiceover, if they want to communicate something, they can add it. But if they don't want, it's fine. We can just add the music and it will still look aesthetic, because it will still look premium, because that is how we have positioned this ad to be. Very premium, luxury, plant-based feel. Okay, so we have pasted the complete script from ChatGPT.
As morning light touches the skin, a new ritual begins. Meet Moon Dew from Herbivore Botanical. Somos fragmento.
You can listen to multiple voices and choose the one which you like and which suits your commercial, and then just click on generate speech and you will be good to go. And you can just save this voice. You can download multiple versions and then choose accordingly. So I also choose the soothing music from Instagram when you're uploading that particular ad, when you're uploading that reel, and there are multiple ways that you can select or choose that audio, where you can get copyright free music and then you can download it from there. That most people will not tell you about AI ads. It's not about the ads, it's about the speed of learning. The faster you can go from the brief stage to live ad stage, this is exactly where your leverage is. You can run more tests, you can find your winning angles, and this is how you win. This is not a marginal improvement for businesses running ads, but this is a fundamental shift in how you think and work. I have built many systems and implemented across different sectors, not just skincare industry, but across many industries. And I have seen this thing. It's not about the AI tools, but it's about how you connect them and how you leverage it in a way that it saves serious time and money for a business owner. There is a difference between spending hours prompting and building the systems that actually bring results. So if you are a business owner watching this video, and if you want to save yourself serious time and money, the link is in the description. You can schedule a free 30-minute call with me, where I am going to do a complete audit for your business and look specifically at your needs. And if you are somebody watching this video and want to real practical tutorials and want in-depth knowledge with real and raw advice and want to get into this industry, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'll be bringing more such videos. And do let me know your thoughts and comment. Did you feel that the ad was real? What is your insight? And what specific feedback you have for me? Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.